Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple rolling flower. For this purpose, I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn and a 5mm steel crochet hook. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make any number of odd base chain. If you want to make a small flower, you can take less number of chains, but if you want to make a bigger flower, you can increase the number of chain. But make sure to make odd number of base chain for your flower. After completing your base chain, to start your first row, make chain 1, go into the second chain from the hook, pull the yarn and then pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. This is our first single crochet stitch. Now go into the second chain and pull the yarn and then pull through 2 loops to make a second single crochet stitch. Now repeat the same pattern and make third single crochet stitch. Go into the fourth chain and make fourth single crochet stitch and fifth single crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern till the end. After completing your first row, for the second row, turn your work and make chain 2. Chain 2 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops. So this is considered as 2 double crochet stitch increase. Now go into the second stitch, repeat the same pattern and make double crochet stitch. Now into the third one, again make 2 double crochet stitch increase, 1 and 2. Go into the next one and make 1 double crochet stitch. After making 1 double crochet stitch, again make 2 double crochet stitch increase into the next. After making 2 double crochet stitch increase, again make 1 double crochet stitch into the next. Repeat the same pattern of 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet till the end of the row. So after completing your second row, go into this last stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch. Don't make 2 double crochet stitch in the last, only make 1 double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and add a stitch marker. Now from here we are going to start our petals with the other color yarn. You can also use same color yarn if you want. So now pull the yarn and pull through these 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. After making a single crochet stitch, wrap the yarn, skip this second double crochet stitch, go into this third double crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then through 2 loops to make double crochet 1, go into the same stitch and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, after making 5 double crochet stitch, skip next double crochet stitch, go into the second, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch. So this is our first petal. Now again for the second petal, wrap the yarn, skip one stitch, go into the next and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5. After completing 5 double crochet stitches, skip one stitch, go into the next and make single crochet stitch to finish this second petal. Now again wrap the yarn, skip one stitch, go into the next and make 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip one stitch, go into the next and make a single crochet stitch to finish this third petal. Now repeat the same pattern till the end of the row and complete all your petals. So this is our last petal. After completing your last petal, now remove this stitch marker. After removing stitch marker, make a slip knot and pull the yarn. Now take this third row loop and skip this stitch, go into this last double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. After pulling the yarn, cut the extra yarn and weave this extra yarn end to some backside stitches with the help of needle. So first of all, make a knot here to secure your work. And then weave this extra yarn to these backside stitches. Now cut this extra yarn weave these two starting yarn tail as well and cut these extra yarn too. Now we are going to use this yarn for the middle part. Take green yarn and make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, make chain 1, 2 and 3. After making chain 3, go into the first chain and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6, double crochet 7 double crochet 8. After completing 8 double crochet stitches, go into the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. So this is the middle part of flower. It's completely optional. You can also use button flower as well. So first of all, join this part with the help of needle. From this middle part too, as you can see. After joining, cut the extra yarn. Now simply roll the flower and cut a long yarn tail of this first color yarn and use this to weave your flower. So simply roll your flower step by step and weave this flower neatly by rolling it. So it's a simple and easy flower. This is the final look. If you like this tutorial, please give it a try. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in prayers. Bye.